Pop.
Hello and welcome back to the Fab Funko Pop channel. Today
Die.
it's mail day.
Die. I die.
I got a little guest with me. It's my son. It's mail day.
Hand, Daddy, hand.
Yeah, Daddy hand.
Daddy hand at home.
Daddy opening up the box, isn't he?
And Daddy hand.
Yeah.
My Daddy hand.
Daddy hand.
My Daddy hand.
Yeah,
Daddy hand.
Opening up this lovely mail day. This was brought into like a little raffle, waffle. whatever you wanna call it.
Whoa. Yo.
A raffle waffle.
No, big one.
Raffle waffle.
And yeah.
And there was
Yo,
$28 a spot, 10 spots for a sealed display. For a sealed display of Shining Fates. Don't touch the camera, please. Leave it alone.
Yo,
Little
Yo, Bamam.
yeah,
Yo, Bamam.
the Shining Fates mini tins sealed display, which I'll be cracking open and hoping to pull something.
No.
Hoping. Obviously, the best card.
Hey,
in this-
no.
The best card in this is
Mama
obviously
told
Desired.
the dad,
So
and
let's go.
hey, Bamam. Yo, I
Oh, we
eat.
got 10. 2, 4,
Okay, no.
5. We got 10 tins.
Then Bamam.
Wow, I didn't realise there was 10 tins.
Then
Okay.
Bam.
Here we go. This is tin number 1.
Okay, no.
Tin number 1. Shining Fates. Get a coin.
Toy.
Get the Rude card.
Card.
And you get 2 packs of Shining Fates in each container. So we have 20 packs. Put that back in. We have 20 packs. My son has stolen my chair, so I have to do this standing up.
Uh-oh, I eat.
Code card.
Card.
Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3,
1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4.
Floatzel.
Two,
Tropius.
Big.
Ball guy. Weasel. Yumma. Trapinch. Shinx. Rowlet.
Bye.
Into Trophius Reverse.
honey.
And Professor Research.
No.
Alright, that was pack 1 of the first tin.
And
Pack 2. Code card. Bless you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Fighting Energy. The Wacky. Trophius. Spinnerack. The Weasel. Rowlet. Trapinch. Snum. Eevee Reverse. And a nothing.
Ayo, I did it.
Brutal. Absolutely brutal. Alrighty, here we go. Tin number 2. You get 2. No, you must get 2 of the. You know what we're going to do? I'm just going to go through. I'm just going to crack them all open. Just crack them all.
No, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1,
Reshi design.
1.
You say Reshiram.
1, 2, 1, 1.
And 2 packs.
2 packs.
So there's 4 packs there.
And
You say Reshiram. When you say Reshiram, Reshiram, can you please be careful of the camera? Seems though you stole my seat. So now I have to stand up and do everything, and you're going to kill my back. Another 2 packs. Alright. We got Kyogre. Oh my god, this tin doesn't want to open. You say, open tin. Oh wow, it doesn't want me to open it up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious me. There we go. There we go. 2 more packs. Look. There we go. And a coin. I'm pretty sure it's the same coin. Yeah, it's the same coin. Same coin. Same coin. Oi. Same coin. Entei in the thing.
No.
Oh. As he goes to roll away and fall off the chair because he's a silly duffer like that. Ain't ya? Another 2 more packs. How about you just stay away there, Bubba? So you don't roll away. Just sit still. Okay? Sit still. Oh. No, you move. Trying to push me up the road. Cheeky little devil. 2 more packs. Slice this open. Oi, Celebi. You're going to have to wait a second, mate. I'm trying to do this. Okay? Just hang on a sec. Alright, 2 more packs. Hopefully we can pull this hard. Or some of the shiny Pokemon. Which would be cool. Alright. Second Celebi pack. And we got 2 more packs. Yeah. Yes, I'll move you back in a second. Yep, hang on. Let me just crack these open and I'll move you back. Oh, that one opened up all right. And 2 more packs. Oh, jeez. All right. That was a mission. All right, here we go. Here we go. All our packs here. I need to get a chair for me back completely guys, because a certain someone stole my chair. Oh, all right, that's a little bit better. Yeah, all right. We okay? You good? You good now? You took my chair. All right, code card. You say code card. Here we go. Lightning Energy, Floatzel, Rusted Sword, Dartrix, Cacnea, Velocidflare, Choodle, Eevee, Nickit, Stone Joiner, Baby, and a Manaphy. Not bad. Little, probably worth like $2-3 maybe. So bear in mind, this only cost me $28. So whatever we get, the profit margin is very low, but the risk is very high on this set because it's very hard to even pull anything. As we get the Leaf Energy, Rusty Shield, Team Yell, Eldegoss, Cacnea, Glossifleur, Choodle, Eevee, Nickit, a Reboot, and a Manaphy non-holo rare. I think this is probably another couple bucks as well, so not too bad. You get Dragon Ball Z. You say Kamehameha. Yeah, that's Dragon Ball Z. They're all... Daddy's already opened those ones up. Daddy's got some more Dragon Ball Z coming, though. Would you like to open them up with Daddy when they come? Yeah, you want to open them when they come? Yeah, I've got to wait for them to arrive first. Coming from the States. Cramorant, Tropius, Choodle, Spinarak, Tiffin, Philosopher, Shum, Toxel. Wow, okay, we're getting the baby shine. Oh, and a double banger and a rose. Whoa, we got a double banger. I don't think they're worth very much, but there's a Toxel. Probably another couple of bucks as well. And we got the Rose Full Art Trainer. Not bad at all. So we got 4. I might just try and put them over here. Just display them up here for the moment. That one there. There we go. That'll do it. Yeah, I can't wait to get into my place and be able to set up my collectibles and have a proper desk, an area where I can got the fire energy. Here we go. What do we got here? Be able to set everything up and have a better setup and be able to do my videos a bit better. Choodle into a Deci big owl. Call it a big owl. Big owl. Call it Poppy. Poppy. Code card. I know it's not prismatic. I was trying to get some prismatic. Yeah, right. Your scalpers can go and ride off. These are a bunch of cockheads. I just wanted literally 2 ETBs, one to be able to open, just to be able to open up, you know, just to be able to open up on the channel. Yeah, no, the scalpers have really got a scalp, so I hope they get stuck with all their stock, and I actually hope people don't buy from people trying to upsell, considering they're only about 80-90 bucks. I know people here trying to sell them for like 220, 250. Just stupid money. Don't waste your money. These will be printed. They will get printed throughout the year. I'm pretty sure. There's still plenty of printing that's going to happen throughout the year for this set, for prismatic. So I wouldn't rush to go crazy on it. But yeah, in saying that, you know, you can do what you want, sort of thing. But yeah, I definitely wouldn't be spending silly money on ETBs and stuff like that if the pull rates have been so terrible. Cramorant and Rillaboom. Yeah, pull rates are terrible. The risk of spending all that money to hold on to something that could and might not go up in value after they do a few releases. Yeah, it's a bit hard to say, really. It's all up in the air. But yeah, they are still going to be doing like reprints and shit like that, so I wouldn't be going too crazy on it. But yeah, prices people are paying for it is just garbage. Kufant, and that's it on that one. So yeah, tell me what you think about that. Tell me what you think about prismatic evolutions and how people are going crazy. Let me know what you think. My thoughts are people are stupid, but you know, each to their own about wanting to blow silly money on a set that's still going to come out and get printed. It's almost as bad as the other new set that that hasn't even been released yet. Yanma Reverse and Dreadnought non-hollow rare. People that got the new set and sold out real quick. Yeah, I don't know. I I just think it's crazy, but that's just me. That's just me. As we get the fire, Rusted Sword, Ball Guy, Hawaki, Choodle, Eevee, Horsey, Cacnea, Shinx, Eldegoss. Oh, and a Morpeko V Max is probably only worth $1, maybe $2. Morpeko V Max. Woo! Little Morpeko. Oh yeah. I'm keen to get my cards from the Terrestrial Festival EX. Keen to get my cards graded at PSA. All my cards are with me mate at the moment to go through them and send them off to PSA. So fingers crossed the majority of them get 10s, which would be nice. Eevee, Morpeko, Weasel, into a Luxio, and a Professor's Research non-holo rare. So yeah, I'm keen for that, and still got 8 BBS cards at BGS that are hopefully will get graded pretty soon. So I'm keen to see what they come back as, because they're the Sparking Zero stamped cards from English and Japanese from the collector's box. Team Yellowtail and Dreadnought non-holo rare. So I'm keen to see what they come back as. I'm hoping they get some decent grades. I'm hoping they get at least all 10s. But we can never be too sure with BGS. It depends on how the grader's feeling at the time of doing the grading. As we get the Water Energy, Rusted Sword, Gym Trainer, Thawaki, Koofant, Eevee, Weasel, Yamma, Trapinch, Mr. Mime. It's PokeRev's most hated Pokemon, Mr. Mime. And a Boss's Orders. Every time he sees a Mr. Mime, he gets upset.
Can I see now?
Can you see now? Can you see now? Here we go, code card.
I see them now.
2, 3, 4.
Oh.
Come on, give us the goods. Give us the goods. Eldegoss, Luxio, Yamma, Choodle, Eevee, Horsey, Cacnea, into a whatever you want to call them. What are they called? Amazing Rare, whatever. Into the Ditto V. No, I don't even know what they're called anymore. I did know what they were called, but now they keep bringing out new stuff. The Big Rashi. And the Ditto V. Right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs left. 4 to go. Value-wise, who knows how we've gone. But it's all good. It's all for the fun. All for fun and games. Dark Energy, Gym Trainer, Oatzel, Weasel, Spinnerack, Shinx, Coughing, Horsey, Galarian Corsola, and a Cinderace V. Getting a few baby shinies. Put that one straight in the sleeve. Put there. And a Cinderace V. Alright, so we got 3 packs to go. You reckon we'll get a Charizard? You reckon? Are you calling it? Are you calling that we're going to get a Charizard in 3 packs? What do you reckon? Yes or no? You reckon yeah? Do you reckon we could get a Charizard? No? Oh, okay. Well, that's not good then. That's what we want. We want the Charizard. Morpeko, waffle, Eevee, Yamma, Schnom, Cufant, and Dreadnought, non-hollow. Alrighty, 2 packs to go.
Mama pack.
2 more to go. 2 more to go to seal our fate. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Reckon it's good? Oh, what the hell happened there?
No.
Oh, I went too far. Grab the next one. That's alright. Steel, Rusty, Eldegoss, Tropius, Trapinch, Schnom, Grookey, Spinarak, Shinx, Tropius, and the Indeedee Hollow that I accidentally went one too many cards. Last pack. Last pack. Yeah, you say last pack. Last pack. You go last pack magic. Code card.
A card game.
Last pack magic.
Somebody.
You want to tap on the card? Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. You tap on it? Good boy. Alright, here we go. Water energy. Hopefully we've got some luck here. Voxel. Team Yell. This is what the hell? The same card? Nah, something's not right here. Yamma. Choodle. You go Eevee, Horsey, Cacnea, Galarian Corsola, and Volcanion. So last pack, we did get a baby shiny. No more now. All gone. All gone. All gone. Should have sold it. All gone. Should have sold it. What do you reckon? Yeah, all gone now. All finished, isn't it? All right.
I ate bossy.
No, Dragon Ball Z's. There's nothing in there, Bubba. All right. Oh, Volcanion. Let me go over there. So here's the hits. Cinderace V. Ditto V. Morpeko V Max. Amazing Rare. Reshiram. Galarian Corsola. Galarian Mr. Mime. Stone Joiner. Galarian Cursola. Toxel. And Reboot. Baby Shiny. And our Full Art Trainer Rose. Yeah, not too bad. Not too shabby at all. Not too shabby at all. Very nice. Well, we didn't pull a Zard, but I got heaps of tins. I'm probably going to post these up on eBay, no doubt. Put these up on eBay do all the cards with it and do a start bid. But yeah, awesome. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully my the little fella was alright, even though he stole my chair. Little bugger. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you check back in on the channel. I do have a bit of stuff coming from the States eventually. I'm just waiting for a signing to get finished. Got a few of the iconic mystery boxes as well that are on their way. So I've got a bit of stuff coming. I'm just waiting for it all to come. But make sure you stay tuned, and I don't know, hopefully if I can find some type of prismatic evolutions thing to open up, I definitely will open it up on the channel. But yeah, I'm going to need a lot of wishes for that, because it doesn't look like there's anything anywhere. So yeah, but hopefully you all have a lovely afternoon and a great weekend. We'll be back again with another opening or another mail day. Have a lovely afternoon. Stay safe.